If you've got some eggs along with a few simple ingredients, then you have everything you need to put together a quick, simple, delicious omelet. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. That's right, you guys. We are going to take some eggs along with a few vegetables, some cheese, and seasonings of my choice, and we are going to whisk up an omelet in a matter of minutes. After all, who said that eggs and omelets had to be just for breakfast? Because I certainly don't, and that's exactly what I'm going to do this evening. Whip up this omelet and have it for dinner along with some fruit on the side. You guys get everything you need to put this deliciousness together, and come in close, and we are going to put together an omelet made to order coming up next. First, we need to do some prep work, just as I've done with some of my veggies that I'm going to be using in this omelet. I've already prepped my onion, green pepper, some grape tomatoes, which I cut into thirds because they were rather large. In this bowl, I've got some shredded mozzarella cheese, and we are going to go ahead and dice up some red pepper. Now you guys, you decide exactly what veggies, what cheese, if you want meat in your omelets, you decide exactly what it is that you want to put in it. But I am just showing you what I love in mine, just as a demonstration to show you just how easy it is to put together an omelet. Okay everyone, this looks good. So I'm going to add these to my bowl with the green peppers. Now it's exactly the same thing, not only the ingredients that you want to use in your omelet, but also the amount. I've got probably about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons of the peppers, maybe 2 tablespoons of the onions. But again, because this is yours, you make the determination how much of these veggies you want to put in your omelet to taste. Okay, so now this is ready. I'm going to set my cutting board aside. And for our eggs, so I've already cracked my eggs here, you guys. I did those off camera so I can spare you guys my egg cracking drama, because if you watch any of my other videos, you know that me and egg cracking do not go together. But actually today, I was able to crack both of them without getting any shells in here. So I should have filmed it, but nonetheless, here we are. All right, and to this, I am going to add my seasoning of choice, which is going to be some salt. And I've also have some Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute. And again, you use the seasonings of your choice. Oh gosh, these smell so good. All right, and with this, everything is prepped. So I'm gonna put everything on my tray, and you guys join me at the stove, and we are going to cook an omelet. Okay, everyone, so to our skillet, we are going to add some avocado oil, and then we are going to cook our veggies. Starting with our onions, peppers, and we're going to continue to cook these until they are translucent. Add in your tomatoes. And we're just going to heat these. Okay, everyone, our veggies are ready. So what I'm going to do is I am going to set these aside in a separate bowl. I'm going to clean this pan, and then we are going to get ready to add in the eggs. So to our skillet, add a little bit more oil, some butter, and that's exactly the reason why I'm adding some oil, because I do not want this butter to burn. So a combination of the two will prevent that from happening. All right, you guys. So at this point, let's go ahead and add in our eggs. Okay. and we're gonna add back in our veggies. You guys see this amazing color? Oh my gosh, okay. And lastly, we are going to add in our cheese. And that's ready. I'll meet you at the counter. Okay, you guys, here we have it. That looks amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to set this aside and I am going to put my fruit up here, and you guys, we are going to give this a taste. Okay, everyone, time to give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. I tell you, I am so super excited about this meal. Oh my gosh. And that tells me why I was excited about this meal. You guys, again, some eggs, some veggies of your choice. If you want some meat in it, do meat. It's just that simple, okay? You can take a few simple ingredients and in a matter of minutes, you have got yourself a delicious meal. Whether you have this for breakfast or for brunch or for dinner, you cannot go wrong. And as I said, I have paired it with some fresh fruit. And on top, I took some creamy cottage cheese. Once again, I put it in my NutriBlender and blended it until it was nice and creamy. Then I added some sugar-free maple syrup to it, gave it a mix, and I topped my fruit with this. You guys, give this a try and let me know how you feel about it by leaving it in the comments below. Thank you all so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550 and enjoy.